Have you ever imagined leaving your traditional job behind and embracing a side hustle that could potentially yield over $10,000 per month? Picture waking up in the morning, donning your pajamas, sipping a cup of coffee, and observing your neighbors rush to their 9-to-5 jobs. Meanwhile, you don't have to leave the comfort of your home because your income surpasses any previous job experience. The key to this transformative side hustle? WordPress web development. Despite its initial intimidating name, I embarked on this journey shortly after quitting my $15 per hour corporate job with zero prior experience. In my first year alone, I generated nearly $80,000. In today's video, I'll divulge the step-by-step process I employed to significantly increase my income through WordPress web development. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. 3 ways to make money. To start making money with WordPress web development, there are 3 primary avenues. First, you can post gigs on platforms like Fiverr, Thumbtack, and Upwork's job catalog. The second approach involves submitting proposals for jobs on Upwork. The third method entails actively seeking clients through strategies such as cold emailing. I firmly believe that a combination of these methods is the most effective way to maximize earnings. For instance, when I commenced this side hustle, I utilized both job boards and Upwork proposals, resulting in an income close to $80,000 in my inaugural year. While it may seem more challenging, combining job board posts with cold emailing can yield even greater returns. In this video, I'll focus on the initial steps that led to my success, assuming that you are starting with no experience, credentials, or earnings in this field. Posting on job boards. To make money through job boards like Fiverr, Upwork, and Thumbtack, you need to ensure your profile stands out to potential clients. I initially posted on Upwork's project catalog and received numerous leads, some converting into substantial projects. In hindsight, I recommend posting on all 3 platforms and creating multiple listings on Fiverr and Upwork under the same account. Each listing should use slightly different language to attract a broader range of clients. For example, create listings titled WordPress Website Design, Modern and Mobile-Friendly WordPress Web Design, and Professional Responsive Website for your business. By diversifying your listings, you increase the chances of potential clients finding your services. When crafting your listing, model it after successful listings on these platforms. Utilize captivating images such as website mockups from Canva and showcase examples of your work. Setting up your portfolio website. Before delving into finding clients, having a portfolio website is crucial. It acts as a showcase for your best works and plays a paramount role in attracting clients. Hostinger is a cost-effective web hosting solution enabling you to start building websites for as little as $3 per month. To set up your portfolio website, follow the link provided in the video description, select the suitable hosting plan, and create your website using the WordPress option. This step is essential before embarking on client outreach. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Posting on Upwork. To boost your chances of landing jobs on Upwork, it's crucial to move beyond merely setting up listings and actively engage in submitting proposals. While listing serves the purpose of capturing leads, particularly in the early stages of your journey, submitting proposals becomes essential for securing new clients. During my initial foray into this project, which eventually led to an income of nearly $80,000 in my first year, I focused on submitting proposals on Upwork. Upwork, being one of the largest freelance job platforms globally, serves as a key arena for freelancers. To embark on this journey, you start by signing up, selecting "I'm a freelancer looking for work," and entering basic information to create your account. Once this process is complete, you gain access to a page displaying current WordPress web development jobs on Upwork. Navigating through various tabs allows you to filter jobs based on different criteria. For instance, you can select specific categories like US jobs only or apply budget filters. Saving specific searches with defined filters enhances efficiency, ensuring that relevant jobs appear on your main feed. For example, you might save a search for WordPress web design with specific criteria such as fixed-price jobs of $500 or more. This targeted approach streamlines your job search and increases the likelihood of finding opportunities that align with your preferences. Now, the question arises, how do you actually secure jobs and generate income? To address this, I'll share the exact strategies that propelled me into the top percentile of freelancers on Upwork, receiving a high number of accepted job proposals. The volume of job offers became so substantial that I found myself having to turn down opportunities and income due to overwhelming demand. To succeed in securing jobs and making money on Upwork, it's essential to recognize that it's a number game. A fundamental understanding is that achieving a 1-to-1 ratio where each proposal results in a secure job is unlikely. Particularly in the initial stages, submitting a significant number of proposals, perhaps 50, 100, or more, before securing a job is not uncommon. This process gradually becomes more manageable over time, and persistence in submitting proposals is key to increasing your chances of landing jobs. The numbers game. The concept of landing jobs on Upwork can be likened to a numbers game. In simpler terms, it's unlikely that submitting a single proposal for a job will guarantee its acquisition. This contrasts with a 1-to-1 ratio where each proposal corresponds to a secured job. For instance, submitting 5 proposals does not equate to securing 5 jobs. It's not a straightforward correlation. Particularly in the initial stages, success often requires submitting a substantial number of proposals, ranging from 10 to 50 or more, before securing a single job. During my initiation on Upwork, I personally submitted nearly 100 proposals before securing my first job. The positive news, however, is that this process becomes significantly more manageable over time. Initially, you might find yourself in a scenario where a 50-to-1 ratio applies, implying that for every 50 proposals submitted, 1 job is obtained. So, if your goal is to secure 10 new jobs within a month, the math suggests submitting around 500 proposals. As you gain experience, this ratio tends to decrease. Instead of needing 50 proposals for 1 job, you might find success with 20 proposals or even 10 proposals per job. When this shift occurs, it could be an indicator that you can start charging higher fees for your services. It's crucial not to be disheartened if early proposals don't yield immediate results. The key is persistence, and with each proposal, you're enhancing your chances of securing jobs. The process evolves over time, and your growing experience contributes to a more favorable ratio, making the journey worthwhile. My proposal format. Let's delve into the specific structure I employed for crafting my proposals. Contrary to submitting 50 uniquely written proposals, I streamlined the process of using a template. This template involved copying and pasting a base format and making minor modifications based on the distinct job requirements. This efficient strategy enabled me to submit numerous proposals within minutes. Remarkably, this approach resulted in a steady influx of job offers, with a frequency reaching up to 2 or even 3 new jobs daily. The simplicity of the proposals was a key element in their effectiveness. I'll illustrate this with an actual proposal for a web development job worth $3,000 to $4,000. The straightforwardness of my proposal may seem almost comical, but it exemplifies the exact template that I consistently used across hundreds of job proposals. While many individuals tend to compose extensive autobiographical descriptions of their experiences and qualifications, my approach, informed by having personally hired around 100 contractors, focused on concise and to-the-point proposals. I'll include this template in the description below for your convenience. Ensure that you customize the specific details, such as adding your own website examples. This template played a pivotal role in my journey to becoming a top freelancer on Upwork, to the extent that Upwork itself expressed interest in interviewing me due to my remarkable success on their platform. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!